Prince Leonhart, Zero, Joker, Ponytailian, Yohan, Guigelf, Kuon, Papilion, Henriette Mystere, Serpentine Twin, Valkyrie the XVIII, Arsene, Asako Shiyura, Zero, Kaitou, Reigetsu, Queen, Papirin, Yurine Ookouchi, Master, Tulipe Noire, Black Papillon, Suzaku, Helen Kent, Veronica, Char Aznable, Akira Okuzaki, Tuxedo Mask.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.